Good morning, children. So as you all know that we have finished chapter 5, that is coastal plains and islands, and today we will be discussing the exercises. So the first exercise is fill in the blanks, and the first is Dash is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So the answer is Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Second is Dash are also known as the Coral Islands. So Lakshadweep Islands are also known as the Coral Islands. Third is Mundu is the traditional dress of Kerala. Fourth is Dash is the union territory on the eastern coastal plains. So Puducherry is the union territory on the eastern coastal plains. Fifth is Mahanadi Delta is situated in the state of Odisha. So first answer is Port Blair, second is Lakshadweep Islands, third is Kerala, fourth is Puducherry, and the fifth is Odisha. Next we will move on to match the following. First is Cellular Jail. So Cellular Jail is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Cellular Jail will match with number D, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Second is Krishna Godavari Delta. So second will match with Andhra Pradesh. A, Andhra Pradesh. Krishna Godavari Delta is in Andhra Pradesh. Number third is Odissi. Odissi is a classical dance form of Odisha. So third will match with B, Odisha. Number fourth, Mohiniyattam. Again, it is a classical form of dance of Kerala. So Mohiniyattam will match with E, Kerala. Next is Angrakha. Angrakha will match with Gujarat because it is a jacket which is worn by men in Gujarat. Now we will move to C, write T for true and F for false. First is the eastern coastal plains can be divided into two parts, the Malabar coast and the Konkan coast. So first answer is false. First is false because eastern coastal plains can be divided into two parts, but the answer is northern Sircars and Coromandel coast. So first answer is false. Second is the Gujarat coast lies in the western coastal plains. Here the answer is true. Second answer is true. Gujarat coast lies in the western coastal plain. This is true. Third is the Golconda fort is in Tamil Nadu. This answer again, children, is false because Golconda fort is not in Tamil Nadu, it is in Andhra Pradesh. So this answer is false. Next is Dhamra and Paradeep are important ports of Kerala. This again, children, is false because Dhamra and Paradeep are important ports of Odisha. So fourth is false. Fifth is Mahanadi Delta in Odisha has fertile alluvial soil. So this is true. Mahanadi Delta in Odisha has fertile alluvial soil. This is true. Now question number D, which is answer the following questions. First is describe the western coastal plains. So the answer will be that the western coastal plains are situated on a thin strip of land. So it is a thin strip of land which lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. They extend from the state of Gujarat up to the state of Kerala, and they can be divided into three parts, which is the Gujarat coast, which is in north, Konkan coast, which is in the middle, and the third is Malabar coast. So this is answer number 1. Question number 2 is write a brief note on Lakshadweep Islands. So children, the answer is Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 coral islands which lie in the Arabian Sea. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands and it is the smallest union territory of India. The main occupation here are tourism, agriculture and fishing. So this is the answer number 2. Third is, what do you know about the eastern coastal plains? So here children, you have to write about the eastern coastal plains, about its location, its extent, and into how many parts are they divided. So the eastern coastal plains lie between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. It extends from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, and the plains can be divided into two parts, Northern Sircars and Coromandel coast. Fourth is, write a short note on the coastal state of Goa. So Goa is located on the Konkan coast between Maharashtra and Karnataka. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Then farming and fishing are the main occupations of the people. Festivals celebrated here are Christmas and Goan Carnival, and the main cities of Goa are Mapusa and Old Goa. So this much will do children. Anyways, it was written short note, so we will not make this answer long. So this much is enough. Then question number 5 is, describe the state of Tamil Nadu. So first of all, we will write the location, the capital, the main occupation, festivals which are celebrated, and about the main cities and ports. So Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India, and it lies on the eastern coastal plains. The capital of the state is Chennai, and farming is the main occupation of the people. Then festivals celebrated here are Pongal, Eid, Diwali and Christmas. Madurai and Kanchipuram are important cities, and Chennai and Ennore are the port cities of Tamil Nadu. So children, this much will do, and with this we have finished with all the question and answers. So children, question number A, fill in the blanks, B, match the column, and C, write true and false, will be written with a pencil in your book. So you will write all these exercises in the book itself. Only question answers you are going to write in the copy. Question answers and the word power will be written in copy. And please children, as I'll be sending you the written question and answers, I expect you people not to make spelling mistakes. So please write carefully and see that you don't make any spelling mistakes. So children, with this we have come to an end of today's session. Now in the next class we will be starting with a new chapter, which is chapter number 6. So till then children, please take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you children.